Welcome! Today we're going to walk through the updated process of logging out of Discord on your Android device. Whether you're switching accounts or just taking a break, it's a simple, quick process. So, let's dive right in. First, start by opening the Discord app on your Android device. Just locate the icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and give it a tap. Once you're in, look for your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tapping on your profile picture will take you to your account settings, where you can manage your preferences. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a gear icon. This represents the settings menu. Give that gear icon a tap, and you'll access all the settings available for your account. Next, you'll want to scroll down through the settings menu. Keep an eye out for the option that says Log Out. It's located at the bottom of the list, so just keep scrolling until you find it. When you see it, go ahead and tap on Log Out. Finally, you'll be prompted to confirm your action. Just tap Log Out once more to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of Discord on your Android device. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.